Has it ever crossed your mind why porcelain tile sealers are such a big deal? Or perhaps you've wondered which ones are exceptionally good for earthenware? Well, today is your lucky day, as we're about to delve into the fascinating world of porcelain tile sealers. Picture this. You've just installed a beautiful porcelain tile floor. It's pristine, it's shiny, and it's begging for attention. But how do you ensure it stays that way? Enter porcelain tile sealers. These remarkable products are the silent protectors of your porcelain tiles, working tirelessly to keep them looking their best. They function by filling in the microscopic pores in your tiles, creating a barrier against dirt, grime, and staining agents. With a good sealer, your porcelain tiles can maintain their fresh, clean look for years to come. Now let's talk about earthenware. This type of pottery is beautiful, with its earthy tones and rustic appeal. But it's also porous, which means it can absorb water and other liquids, leading to potential staining and damage. So, which porcelain tile sealers work best on earthenware? The answer lies in penetrating sealers. These types of sealers are designed to seep into the pores of your earthenware, creating a protective barrier without altering the appearance of your pottery. They're ideal for earthenware as they provide protection while maintaining the natural rustic look of the pottery. So, what have we learned today? Porcelain tile sealers are an essential part of maintaining the look and longevity of your porcelain tiles. They work by filling in the pores of your tiles, effectively creating a barrier against dirt and stains. And when it comes to earthenware, penetrating sealers are your best bet. They seep into the pottery, protecting it from within without altering its appearance. In essence, the right sealer can make all the difference to your porcelain tiles and earthenware. It can be the difference between a floor that stays pristine for years and one that quickly shows signs of wear and tear. It can be the difference between a piece of pottery that retains its natural beauty and one that becomes stained and discolored. So, make the right choice. Invest in a good porcelain tile sealer and watch as your tiles and pottery stay beautiful year after year.